How's it going, guys? ABC Pwned here, and we're gonna make another short video for Pirate's Tale on Roblox. So I've been getting a lot of questions from people lately asking what exactly do the curses do, and also I've been asked kind of what are the drop rates for the items in game. So the first thing we're going to talk about here we are actually going to talk about what the racial traits are for the curses. So the Gupper, we might as well go in here just so we could show you guys them. I should be able to show you them. Alright, so let's say you pick a Gupper, which is what we are right now. So Guppers have unlimited oxygen and no blur. Apparently, that's what the Gupper trait is. And then we go over here to the Torchlight, right here, which is this guy. Torchlights don't require torches or lanterns. That's his racial trait. And then we have the Yoduins. I'm sure I'm going to be saying their names wrong, so bear with me. But the Yoduins are small. That's basically their trait, I guess. I don't know. That's apparently their trait, is that they're small. Alright, and then we have Joffins, which are right here. So Joffins apply a bleed effect when they melee, apparently. So when you're fighting people and you hit them, they'll have a bleed effect. And that's a Joffin right there. And then we have the Squidlin here, which is this guy right here. And what he does is he gets a slow passive health regen. So when you're like fighting or you're taking damage, you're going to regen health, which is pretty damn good. We have humans, just normal human. I think human isn't even a cursed. I'm not sure. Maybe that's like just cursed and electricity and stuff, or just not a curse. I'm not sure. But humans get 10% more gold apparently. Okay, and a skeleton. Let's find a skeleton. We'll just pick any skeleton since there's tons of them. Skeletons don't take any elemental damage, so like elemental mobs can't really hurt them. And then we have Mermaid, and mermaids pretty much just swim twice as fast. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for what the curse bonuses are. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the drop chances in the game. Alright, so this was actually confirmed by one of the devs in the Discord a while back, so this is 100% accurate earlier today. So this is a drop chances in the game. When you're killing a mob or you finish a dungeon, like if you kill a Kraken or something, you have a 50% chance of getting a common, you have a 25% chance of getting an uncommon, you have a 15% chance of getting a rare, 8% chance of an ultra rare, which is like one of the ships basically, and then 2% chance of getting a legendary, which is basically all of the special curses that like the bosses drop or the Kraken and the Ghost Fleet drop. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you this information since a lot of people have been asking me about it. But until next time, it's ABC Pwned, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Oh yeah.